Hey everybody, it's David with davidspassage.com. Today it's October, and in Michigan in October colors start to change. It gets really beautiful. So my wife and I are actually today, we're on the Dowagiac River. We're going to be doing a little kayak video. I haven't been kayaking, well, since the last video. If you've been paying attention anytime, I haven't been kayaking since then. And just summer got away from me and just haven't been able to do it. But fall is like the most amazing time to kayak in Michigan. So we're on the Dowagiac River here near Dowagiac, Michigan. We're using a livery service called Doe-Wah-Jacks. You can look them up online. They just did some car spotting for us. They rent kayaks and canoes. We brought our own kayaks. We just use them for a car spotting service. But we're actually going to do the 6 hour. There's a 30% chance, 30 to 40% chance of thunderstorms. So we may get caught on the river in some thunderstorms. If we do, I might not show you the rest of the video, but just bear with us as we do. But it's just absolutely gorgeous out, so we're gonna hit the water now. We'll see you. We'll see ya. You too. These grapevines, these are grapevines. That's cool. Little fuzzy cocoon things. come this, do this, there's your out right there on the Sink Road. You can get out right there. It's actually the eddy it's going to suck me into if I let it, but it's the Sink Road Bridge. You can kind of see me in my my goofy hat here. Actually, you know, I don't know. I just like this kind of hat because it kind of looks weird now. Actually, it looks weird pretty much all the time, but it's really functional because it's cotton. I buy the same type of hat pretty much everywhere I go. But I like it because it's made of, you know, it's cotton. I can filter sediment out of water with it when I'm backpacking. In today's case, what it did was we had sort of a downpour just a little bit ago, and it's got a wide enough brim. I was able to pull my brim over my glasses and keep the water off my glasses on all sides. And obviously I can put it down like this. This is also really nice for fishing. When I go fly fishing, what I like to do is bring these sides down, and then it blocks a lot of the peripheral glare if there is any on the water, so I can focus, you know, keep my eyesight where I'm trying to fish, that sort of thing. But when I don't want any of that, I just button the sides up like this. Now it kind of looks like a cowboy hat, I guess. Lack of a better term, I guess. I don't know. One of the things that's pretty cool about this river is that it's 90% spring-fed, from what the Livery owner was telling me the other day. And so what that means is that the water temperature doesn't fluctuate a whole lot. It doesn't fluctuate a whole lot throughout the year. And specifically, he mentioned that this is one of the only rivers in southern Michigan that doesn't freeze over in the wintertime, because the water temperature stays roughly 65 degrees. So something to note, I may come back here in the wintertime and try a winter paddle through here, because this has been absolutely beautiful. It's been an absolutely beautiful river. You saw I think it was a blue heron. You know, we've seen some squirrel and deer and chipmunks and all kinds of really cool things. Wife and I are doing the 6-hour paddle, and what they call the 6-hour paddle. And we just got done with the 4-hour paddle, and it took us 3 hours. So we're a little ahead of schedule, which is great because there's supposed to be thunderstorms rolling in later anyway, so we don't want to get caught in thunderstorms. But all in all, man, it's just beautiful, beautiful day. Even with the rain, doesn't really, you know. Got a nice brim hat. I think that really helps keeping the rain off your face. And it's not a cold rain either. It's kind of a warm rain, and it's been probably mid-70s all day long, and so it's been fun just to paddle. Looks like it's gonna starting to rain. We've been hearing some thunder. Haven't seen any lightning yet. Hey, we made it just in time for the storm to blow in here. There's our last bridge. There's a little sign over here that says New Landing. So that's it. Dowagiac River, and I'm shutting this camera off because it is not waterproof. We'll see you later. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all your views and subscriptions, comments, and support. Take care.